What's up, everybody? My Honda Fit here, 2009, was having issues where it was like jogging. I looked into it. It suggested the spark plug. I didn't run the test, but there are spark plug tests you can do online, where you can leave the car running, unloose the bolts. These spark plugs, um, this holder here only takes one bolt. So if you unloose that bolt, the way to test them is unloose all the bolts while the car is running, slightly lift up on this piece here. Okay, when you lift it up, if the car revving like doesn't go down, like if it doesn't change and reduce, that means that spark plug is not doing anything within the car. But if you hear it like lose power almost, you know that's a proper, that spark plug is doing something, is working. So that's just a quick way to test your spark plug. I went ahead, so on the Honda Fit here, 2009, it's right here in the back. If you can see it, right here. If there's a cover here, remove your cover. You don't have to remove too much. I did not. I was able to get in here with a number 10, a small socket here, but it's a number 10. Okay, and you'll be able to remove all of them. And then you're gonna need a spark plug remover. It's like its own socket. Is a 5/8 or 16 millimeters, as you can see here. You're gonna need one of these deep socket to get the spark plug out. 5/8 or 16 millimeter. I think they do make these specifically for the spark plug, but you can probably use your regular socket. I think, I'm not too sure. But I had these in the one toolbox that I had bought, and it works, and it did the job. So, and you do have to unplug the sensors here, so before you take them out, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and install the new spark plug that I got. So these are the new spark plugs that I bought online, and as you can see, it come exactly how you put them in. You don't remove any piece. These are one piece, they stay together. This ignition coil, this is actually the ignition coil. This is gonna go in there, but first, you have to install your brand new spark plug pieces. So this is what came with this package, and this part, right, where the spark happens, always goes in. Okay, and you screw it on like this. Okay, so if you put it on, so you put it in a socket like this. Okay, snap into the socket. Okay, and then you screw it in as you go. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna get this done here, and I'll show you guys maybe how the car is running.